This is a 32-inch LG LED TV from 2017, and somebody just threw it away. It's just HD, but an IPS panel, so worth fixing. So why they threw it away? One reason could be that the external adapter went bad, or it's this thing. Can you see what the problem with this picture is? This is a white JPEG shown. So yeah, maybe somewhere here it's white, but yeah, the other part, the backlight isn't able to shine through the LCD panel. So yeah, and this is cranked up to max brightness. As you can see, it changed color. It's pinkish. It's the color of death. That's what I heard. And yeah, it's not very usable this way. So this, you can see it on this image. This TV uses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LEDs, 2 rows of 5 LEDs, and those are the entire backlight. 1 watt each, 3 volts. So yeah, that's 10 watts, about maybe like 100-watt light bulb. So yeah, this is unusable this way because all the colors are bad and some parts of the screen you can't see. And yeah, so I ordered some replacement parts. Wait, here. They look something like this. I can't show you now because it's on AliExpress and I can't find the product anymore. So they basically look like this, but only with five of these lights each. And these are easy replacements. You just rip out the old one. It has connectors. You disconnect the connector. The new one has a double-sided tape on the back. You glue it in and connect the connectors on the end, and job done. You put it together and it works. So this is the easier solution, which I used because I got a special deal from AliExpress for $4. It was just $4 for the 2 strips, and yeah, that's including shipping. So how could I say no? But there's another solution which I could have used. I can buy basically any LED strip, and use these LEDs wired differently, or just cut up the LED strip and put the lights exactly where the TV needs them. It has 5 holes in that white sheet that's under the backlight, or yeah, under the backlight, and just put 5 of them there, cut up, rewired, and so the voltages match, and no problem. I could have done that. Or there's a repair kit sold like this. They come in 20 pieces, so you have to buy 20 when you only need 10. I don't know, it's not for me. But these are already pre-cut, so you can just stick them on even on the old LED strip. You just stick them on, solder in the connections, and you're done. You don't even have to rip out the old one if you're kind of careless and don't care. So this is a very, very, very easy solution, but kind of costly because you have to buy 20, which yeah, it's twice what you need for this specific TV. And yeah, it's from eBay. 3 volt or 6 volt depending on what you need. Yeah, so I kind of feel like a fool because I had a much simpler solution, and at almost the same price they sell these what do you call these, ceiling lights that have basically identical LEDs with the lens on top, or light spreader, what do you call them. So this is a 24 watt and there are 24 LEDs. Well, surprise, surprise, there are 1 watt 3 volt LEDs, basically the same thing as the TV, and you can just buy one of these for how much is it? 30, that's like $7 with free shipping, and you just cut it up between the LEDs, stick them in, and you're good to go. So yeah, I'm sorry I didn't see this before I made the order. Now I'm waiting for the original replacement parts from AliExpress. Allegedly they already sent it, and it will be here in a couple of months. No, actually a couple of weeks. It will be here on November 15th, allegedly. And if they don't work, then I'll make another video how I'm cutting up something like this, or even buying a single strip like this, because one of these has 11 lights, and that's more than enough for my TV. Yeah, I only need 10, so I could use one of these. And yeah, so don't throw out your old TV. If you have a couple of hours to spend on fixing it, it's relatively easy. You buy one of these kits or original bars, LED strips, which can cost from 10 to 20 bucks, and your TV is as good as new. It will run for another 5 to 10 years. So this is the only thing that wears out in newer TVs, because the power supply is not that strong. It doesn't heat up as much. It doesn't get worn out that fast. So it's only the lights, maybe if you break a port or two, but yeah, maybe worth fixing for 10 or 20 bucks. Why not? Why throw out something perfectly good? This was an IPS panel, which is why I'm going through this pain, because IPS has very good colors when you have a proper backlight, and visible from all angles, while most TVs are not. For example, if your line of sight is under the TV, then you will see gray instead of black, and some colors are distorted because it's not optimized to be viewed from under the, what do you call it, frame, whatever. So yeah, maybe I'll make another video with the installation process, because that will be kind of interesting. I'll have to take the TV apart again. Be careful with the flexible cables, flex cables, what do you call them? They are really thin, and if you touch it, it breaks. So yeah, that will be an upcoming video. Bye now.